Moving right along to Section 3, Modern Deal Structuring.
So how are people pooling capital safely these days? Well, whether it's through private equity or the new crowdfunding rules from the SEC, these modern models are opening up way cheaper access to capital. For example, Growstake is a real estate investment platform that lets you own a fraction of a property. Not the whole building, just your share of it. It's incredibly simple. You sign up, fund your wallet, and you can invest starting from just 5,000 Naira. You now own a real stake in a real property. Now, on the other end of the spectrum, you have private equity funds. These usually pool money from high net worth individuals, and while they do offer flexible financing, they're typically hunting for higher returns and a direct ownership stake in the project.
Now, a lot of people tend to confuse fractional ownership with timeshares, and it is vital to understand the difference here. Fractional ownership means you actually own a piece of the asset itself. You get to share in its value appreciation and rental income. On the flip side, with a timeshare, you merely own a block of time on a calendar that use the property. That's it. Timeshare owners have absolutely zero direct say in how the asset is used, maintained, or sold.
Let's look at another major structure, REITs. Real Estate Investment Trusts, or REITs, are essentially corporations traded on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. They allow you to buy shares in a company that owns multiple income-producing properties. And because they're publicly traded, they offer a brilliantly low barrier to entry for the general public.
To make things even clearer, let's compare those REITs to real estate syndication. With syndicates, you're actually picking the exact building. You pool your funds with a lead investor to acquire one specific property, though this is usually restricted to accredited high net worth investors. But with REITs, you're investing in a company's broader real estate portfolio. You don't pick the individual properties, but you get much easier access and built-in diversification.